Hi, I'm Jesse Kirk, a service writer here at Autotech Service. Today I'd like to tell you about our pre-trip inspection, a good way to help keep you safe while you're on the road.
Having all of the basic maintenance items on your car in good shape will help keep you rolling. Start where the rubber meets the road, literally. Is the tread on your tire wearing unevenly or just plain low? A simple visual aid is to look in between the tread. In many places around the tire, there is a low tread indicator that lets you know when you have little tread remaining before the tire is no longer safe to drive on. Also, check the tire pressures. Extra strain on a low tire can cause dangerous blowouts, poor handling, and poor braking. Get someone to help you make sure that your brake lights, turn signals, low and high beam headlights, and even your license bulbs are working properly. If you have the experience or time to go to a professional, get your brakes inspected as well as checking the underhood maintenance items. Inspect the radiator hoses, belts, air filter, and all fluids, your engine oil, transmission fluid, power steering, and even brake fluid. These are all simple systems that cause big problems when they fail.
Okay, thanks, Jeff. And join us next week here on ABC 36 for another Under the Hood tip every Monday. Also join us on the radio Saturdays noon to 2, Under the Hood on News Talk 590 WVLK.